In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a retainer invoice in Zoho Books. A retainer invoice is a great way to bill clients in advance for work you'll be doing in the future. Instead of charging only after the work is complete, you collect an upfront amount that you can later apply to regular invoices. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step in Zoho Books. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation menu. Find the section labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on Sales. This is where Zoho keeps all your sales-related documents like estimates, invoices, and in this case, retainers. Once you're in the Sales section, you'll see several options. Look for the one called Retainer Invoices. Click on Retainer Invoices to open the dedicated page for all retainer-related billing. Here, you'll see a list of any retainer invoices you've already created, along with their statuses and amounts. This is helpful later for tracking how much retainer balance you still have for each customer. Now, to create a new one, look for a button that says Create New Retainer Invoice, or simply Plus New, usually located towards the top of the page. Click on that. This will open a fresh retainer invoice form where you can enter all the necessary details. On this form, start by selecting the customer you're billing. Make sure you choose the correct customer record so that the retainer is tied to the right account. Next, review the invoice date and, if needed, adjust the payment terms or due date. Then, move to the section where you specify the retainer amount. This is usually added as a line item, often labeled as retainer or advance payment. Enter the description clearly, add the amount you're charging up front, and check any applicable taxes if your region requires them. Take a moment to review everything for accuracy, as this amount will be used against future invoices. When you're satisfied with the details, you're ready to finalize the document. At the bottom or top of the page, you'll see options to save and send or save as draft. Choose Save and Send if you're ready to email the retainer invoice directly to your client from Zoho Books. If you still need internal approval or want to review it later, choose Save as Draft instead. And that's all it takes to create a retainer invoice.